Hi everyone. So really quick, I'm about to head to my orientation to my future job that I now have. Now TARDIS doesn't really have enough gas, but it should be enough to take me there and back and get my new car. Yes, my new car should totally been here since yesterday, but there was a couple of things that they needed, which I did turn them in. So now it's just getting them the money and signing some documents, and then we should have my car. But anyway, so basically what we're going to be doing today is I got the orientation that starts at 10, but who knows how long it's going to be. And then after that, I'm going to go to a bank, take the rest of the money out that I need, and see if they can do something with the other money that's going to be still in the bank. And then come home, pick up my sister and her friend, because her friend's going to drive this car back home once we get my new car. And then we're also probably going to do some shopping or something like that. Anyway, let's go. So I made it. Now I'm heading inside so I can do my orientation. Oh, look, a food truck. Nice. It's a mini food truck. And there's also a fire truck over here too. Yes, I parked the car all the way close to CVS because I might just use that ATM later. Okay, so I just called the dealership, told them how sorry I was for not calling. They tried to call me twice because I told them that I would probably make it up there at 2 p.m. Is now like 4:12. I didn't know that my orientation was going to be that long. If you guys want to hear about my orientation, please subscribe to my Adventures with Dogsy and DJ's channel. Whenever I do upload that whole thing, because it will be dated. All my videos are dated actually. But anyway, so right now I'm heading up there. I was gonna get money from the CVS, but apparently their ATM doesn't do cash withdrawals, which is odd, but okay. So I'm going to have to find another ATM to get it and then head home. Jeez Louise. Alright. So, yep. So I'm about to head there right now, get my new car, and put that stuff in my new car because I need it. Not this one, but the other stuff. Okay. I'll see you guys in a few. So here she is, TARDIS 2.0. Man, I finally did it, and it's the right color. So let me show you a couple things. So okay, so there's the gas tank. Good. I would like to know where that is. It's totally opposite than what TARDIS is at. But here's the inside of the trunk. I do believe, because Mom wants me to see if her wheelchair can actually fit in here. I do believe so. I mean, it's nice and roomy, as you can see. So, there's the trunk. It also has a backup camera, as you you guys can see. Okay. So, let's see. If I come over this way, I want to see. Let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, I like it. And it drives nicely too. So. Oh man. It's fully gassed. Has a full gas tank and everything. I like the rails. Just, oh man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. So yes, it's a Ford Focus SE and I love it so much. It's a 2018. Has Bluetooth. My phone is already synced to it. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome to drive. Here's the keys, by the way. So, oh man. And there it is. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. So the only thing I need to do, technically, is pay them the rest of the money because it's supposed to be $1,400 that I was supposed to put down, and I was close enough. So because of how they wanted it, and so I just need to give them $400 left. So yeah, but yeah. Let's see what my sister said.
They have a fax number to fax things to people.
And they didn't give you the fax number?
No, they did. I just didn't bring it with me. And plus, if it's over $10, they charge you $2.50. So we have to try cash out.
Okay, let's go. Weren't we supposed to go to Aldi's? Oh. Do you see how far I parked the baby? And she chirped well.
Okay. Why did you put my phone here?
Because I had to do an awesome video of.
Did you do those skid marks?
What do you mean?
Did you do all these skid marks in the ground?
Did I?
You better not have this. Were you driving crazy?
Oh snap! Did I? No.
But you could have done that. You gotta be careful when you do that. Wow. She actually sits in a fucking park as well.
She does. She really does.
Okay, so back to the house.